So here is the Dior box, and you always get a little card with the Dior logo on it. The box is really, really pretty. It has all pretty spring flowers, and these boxes are like little keepsakes. You can keep them if you're a packaging person, or you could just discard them or whatever. And this Dior ribbon is made out of a material, so it's not like a satin ribbon. So it's something that you can reuse and keep. And here we are with the box open. You have the beautiful Dior sticker there with the tissue paper. So with this Dior order, I ordered some makeup. Here's my goodie bags, all my free items. Guys, I got the free item that a lot of you guys want, so stay tuned. Don't leave. I'm going to show you that goodie. I'm going to tell you how much you have to spend in order to get her. And here are my items I purchased. I purchased some makeup. I'm going to show that to you. Some foundation, some concealer. Let me show it to you. So first up, I ordered the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation in the 7N. The N stands for neutral, because my undertones tend to be more yellow than red undertones. So I thought this would be a good fit for me. Also on Dior, you can also try the makeup on virtually. So just go online and they'll show you how to do that. Let's open this foundation up. Now here's the foundation color. There is a very deep, rich looking color. And it's, I'll tell you how many ounces it is. Let me see how many ounces is in here. So there's the color a little bit better. And this is 16 fluid ounces of this foundation. Now my reasoning for purchasing this particular makeup was because it's waterproof and sweat resistance. Now, you know, we're going into spring shortly, and then the summer's coming up, and I wanted a makeup that was waterproof and sweat resistance because I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling, and I heard a lot of good things about this Dior product, so I'm going to try it out. And here's the back if you want to read that. It is 16 ounces. And it's the color 7N. And the bottle's real cute on the top there with the silver cap. You can see it says CD for Christian Dior. Now when you open up the bottle, it has like this little adapter there. So it just pours out there. The reason why there's makeup on top is because I did shake it up a little bit. Let me show you the color. And one thing I do notice, because this is a dropper, you have to be really careful because you see how it's spilling out there. So just be really careful with that. So it's a really deep color. As you can see there, it's deeper than what you're seeing here on the bottle. I'll swatch it for you. And here it is on my skin. I didn't rub it in. Let me rub it in for you. And as you can see, it's a pretty good match for my skin. If you could even see it, it's right here. So it's a pretty good match. You can hardly see it. But it's a 7 neutral. So I figure I'll try it out, but this is buildable, so I probably will use a better amount. So the next item is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer. I figure since I'm purchasing the foundation for the first time, I might as well get a primer as well. And this is a universal color, so there's no, I guess it's clear. Let's open this up. And yes, it's a clear bottle with the silver Dior brand printed on it, and the top says CD as well. Never used these items before, but we're going to see how this works out for me. Let me open up this primer and see what it looks like. And this has that dropper type top as well. I'm not sure if I'd rather have had a pump or this, because this was not cheap, the primer and the foundation. So we'll see how that works out. Let me try out the color. Okay, guys, I don't know about this one. This is the primer. Now, it says universal, so I figure universal is for all skin types, but I don't know. This is kind of creamy, pinkish. I didn't mean to pour a lot. That's why I don't like the dropper top. That's why I used a Q-tip for the foundation. I see for the primer as well, I'm going to have to use a Q-tip because when I used the dropper, too much came out. Let me and rub it in and see what it looks like. Okay, that's not too bad. Let me rub it all the way in. This is halfway absorbing into my skin. Let me rub it into my skin a little more. Okay, so that's not bad. It absorbed into my skin, so that creamy color is gone. It's not oily. I have extremely dry skin, guys, so yeah. I might like this. So the universal is for all skin types. So that's the color for the universal. Not bad. It doesn't feel like, you know, that silicone feeling. I'm not feeling that. It feels like a very, very light lotion. And it gave my skin somewhat of a sheen. I don't know. I have to try it on. There you go. Maybe that's better. It gave it a sheen. So it'll give you some highlight coming through your foundation. I'm not a makeup person, so don't judge me, okay? And the next item from Dior is the Flash Perfector Concealer. And I think this is just in basic black. Oh, it says 6W. You know, I order stuff and don't realize I'm ordering what color I ordered. So it says 6W, so it's a 6, the number 6, and it's a warm color. So let's open this up. And here it is. Let me see how close this is to the foundation. And because I'm not a makeup person, guys, are you supposed to, if anybody knows, leave me a comment below. Are you supposed to get your concealer lighter than your foundation? Because apparently these are two different colors. The foundation is much darker than the concealer. I didn't know, so I'm going to try it out anyway. Let me open this up, guys. You're probably saying, well, what'd you buy it for? Because I wanted to. Well, that's why. You know how you want something. But let's try it. I don't like when I open up an applicator and it's like the makeup is all the way down the applicator. That could have happened in transit. I don't think this is used or anything, but generally the stick is kind of clear, but this is how it came straight out of the applicator. But let's swatch this. I know I might have it too close. Let's swatch this concealer. So here's the concealer. So I just placed it right on top of the primer. It looks like it's gonna be lighter than my skin, or lighter than a foundation, but it is the concealer. So it might give me that little pop under the eye. Let's rub it in. Pretty good, I'll say. You saw the vein in my hand. Yes, I have veins in my hand. We all do. But anyway, mine's are showing a bit. The concealer kind of covers that up. So I think I like that. But somebody in the comment tell me, please let me know. Am I supposed to buy a lighter concealer and a darker foundation? Well, not a darker foundation. The foundation that matches my skin. And the concealer should be lighter, or is it the opposite? I don't know, but I like the way this looks. I might use this all on my face. I like the concealer better than I did the foundation. And it had a nice smooth feel. So that's these products. That's the Dior concealer, the Dior primer, and the Dior foundation. So let's get to the good part, the free gifts. I know that's what you're waiting for. You'll say, shut up. Just get to, no, don't say shut up. My mom always says, be quiet. That's much nicer. Be nice, be kind. Let's get to the good part. Now, the time of when I purchased this item to get this fabulous free gift, you had to spend a minimum of $100. So everything I purchased here was over $100. And also, if you don't know, when you spend over $100 with Dior, you get a travel size sample. So I received a travel size sample, a regular sample, and then with the promo code that I'm going to share with you guys, yes, I'm stalling, but we're going to get to it because you're going to love this. You're going to love this gift. I'm telling you, with this promo code I'm going to give you, I'm going to show you what you're going to get. Now, this is one of the free samples that you get from Dior. You get to choose your 2 free samples, and I chose this. So this is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer, and here's the colors, and these are 90% natural. They have a plumping effect, which I don't, I don't like lipsticks that plump. They feel funny to me. But anyway, it's plumping and hydrating lip gloss. It's a plumping and hydrating lip gloss. This is the one I like right here the most. This hollow lavender. Purple is my favorite color, but this lavender, it has like sparkles in it. Ah, that looks really pretty. And this one is number 1 pink. And this is the Dior Intense, that color there. And this one is Shimmer Macadamia. And then you get the little brush. This is really cute. And they said there's 31 shades of these lip maximizers. So if you get enough of these cards, you'll have, a couple of samples there, but I really like this one. Okay, let me get to the gift. So because I spent over $100, I was able to get the sample travel size additional gift because I spent over $100. And this is the a perfume. I'm not going to say it. You guys know my English is not that great. So let's open this up. And here's the name again. That's the name of the perfume. And she's in this little bottle. And this makes a great travel companion. You don't have to bring a whole bottle of perfume with you. Just bring this little sample. Let's take a sniff. So again, this is a dropper bottle. It's not a spray. And I did take a whiff of it. I have to say, I don't care for the scent. When I first smelled the scent, it smelled like olive oil to me. Like olive oil. Maybe it's me. Maybe on my body it may not smell like that, but that's what I imagined. So I'm not sure about this one, but that's the name of it. And it was for free. So this is a no for me. I don't like this scent. Right now, I don't like the way it smells, but I will try it on my wrist and see if my chemistry changes the scent, but it's not for me. And then here's another free sample. So if you spend $100, you would get 2 free samples of your choice. And again, this is the additional extra gift that I got because I spent over $100. And this is the name of this particular perfume. If it would come into focus. There you go. Let's open that up. And it's just a sample vial spray top. I'm going to spray it. Now this I like. I like this. It has like a sweet scent, but not overly sweet, but it's wearable for me. I like this. So I will be keeping this. This is the gift that you guys all been waiting for. And I'm so happy to finally get this gift. Because every time I try to get this gift with the promo code, it was out of stock. So it finally came back in stock and I was able to get it. All of Dior's free samples come in this really nice linen bag. You can reuse it, pop it in your purse. But let me show you what I got that you guys are going to want. I'm telling you, you're going to want this. Here it is, and it comes in this box, and it just simply says Dior. You know what it is. You know what it is. I got the mirror. I got the pocket mirror, the Christian Dior pocket mirror. I'm going to give you the promo code because it is still available as far as I know. This is the month of, where are we? February. So look for it. And now it does go in and out of stock, this particular free gift. Let me open it up to show you why I want it. So it comes up wrapped really nice in this tissue paper. I was so happy to get this, guys, because I was so disappointed. On my last order, it was out of stock, so I received something else that I didn't want. And it has the plastic over it. You see this, guys? It's a CD on it. And this is a soft, see this? This is a soft, cushiony pillow top there. It still has the plastic on the top there. I'm going to take that. I will take that off. And it has CD on it. This is such a cute item, and it was for free. So that's the best part. I'm going to give you the promo code if it's not on the screen right now. But this is cushiony, and I like that. It's really soft. I'm loving that. And here it is without the plastic. So it's a matte black padded top there with the CD in silver. And it's a dual-sided mirror. I'm going to open it up real quick. There's one side and that's the other side. It's so cute. Look how pretty. And here's the promo code. It's right there on the screen. Use that promo code, but I believe you have to spend $100. Some people are saying they spent $75 and they were able to get it. I'm not sure. I spent $100 and I was able to get use that promo code, but it may have been when it was out of stock and it came back in stock. I don't know, guys, but you guys try it out. Put the promo code in there that's on the screen if you want to get this free mirror. I think this is a great gift because I bought a mirror from Chanel, which was half the size that I paid for, and it was a dual mirror as well, but not as nice as this. This is a really, really nice free gift, this pocket mirror. You could carry it everywhere. But that's the end of my video, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're still around, I love you. Yes, I do. Leave me a heart below if you stayed with me throughout the whole video. Guys, it's very, very important why you have not seen me a lot, because
YouTube is not pushing out my videos because you guys are not liking the video. When I say like, you have to click that thumbs up. You have to click that red subscribe button so that Dior will continue to send my videos out to you guys. Ring the bell so that you'll get those notifications when I have a new video out. I'm trying to upload more videos, which I will be doing weekly. So come on back. Go to Dior, get your free gift. Let them know I sent you. No, they could care less if they know you sent me. But anyway, see you later, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.